I am here at Mizzou creating some 3D chalk art installations to kick off the Artist in Residency program. We're going to be all around campus creating some giant anamorphic illusions that people can stop by and pose and take photos with. So the first one is Truman the Tiger, kind of busting out of the ground up into our universe. And then we're going to create a giant hole in the ground that people can pose around like they're about to fall in. And then at the Arts Complex, we're going to create 3 different pieces celebrating 3 different arts.
What we are doing here on campus, they are designed for people to pose in them, people to jump inside of them. So come out because the artwork technically is finished when you take a photo with it.